Hello everyone, Mr. Gold here, and for art today we're going to make a patterned fall landscape. So it's going to look something like this. Okay, so this picture has a lot of different patterns in it. All right, so we'll just talk about what that means. So patterns are a repetition of shapes. It's one of our elements of design. So we have polka dots, we have wavy lines, zigzags, squares, rectangles, stripes. We have some curly lines, okay? And over here, there's a pattern. Now patterns can be shapes. They can also be colors. So here I'm making some arches here, but they're also a pattern like yellow, orange, red, yellow, orange, red. So that's another type of pattern. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. You could draw along with me. We're going to start one step at a time. Now I'm going to use a marker. So I recommend you use a pencil. I'm just using the marker so you can see what I'm doing. So the first step I'll do is we're going to make the ground line. So you can make it wavy. You can make it, as much as you want. All right. And then after that, let me start with the sky. So I'm going to make a sun, our sun. And then we're going to make, again, a pattern of arches. I'm not going to color anything right now. Okay. As you can see, I'm just going through. I'm not even worried about the house or the tree yet. Okay. So I made my patterns there. Okay. Now next, what we're going to do, we're going to make this the mountains here. And again, a landscape is a drawing of the outdoors. It uses mountains and trees and could houses and stuff. So that's what we call a landscape. But this is not a realistic landscape. So I'm going to make a line that's going to be a little wider shape, and then so it kind of almost looks like it's getting farther away. Then I'm going to slowly start breaking up these shapes. Okay. We'll put another one here. All right, so I'm breaking up the shapes. Again, it doesn't have to look exactly like mine. All right, now we're going to make a couple different patterns. So, if, for example, you can make the polka dots however you want. You don't have to copy exactly what you see. When you make a pattern, you try to make them kind of as even as possible. Okay, over here I'll make some zigzags. This is how I make a zigzag. Kind of like lightning. Okay, and again, try to be as consistent as possible. Try our best to add a couple more there, okay? Over here, I'll make a series of squares or rectangles. Again, I'm going a little fast, but you could take your time, okay? And you can kind of feel out how you want to make that, okay? Again, using a pencil is a great idea, so if you make a mistake, you can always go back and fix it, okay? Here, I'll make some pattern of wavy lines. Okay, and it's good to turn your paper. Like, so I want to make my stripes here, so I'd rather just turn the paper so it's easier. You don't have to always draw in the same position. So I turn the paper. Over here, I'm going to make more diagonal lines going the other way. So I think I can get some more stripes here. Okay, we're gonna add some more polka dots here, but they're going to be like smaller, so it's just a little different. Okay, now we're ready to make the house. So the last step we're going to make is the house and the tree. So what you're going to do is, this is going to be a silhouette house, which means a silhouette means you don't see the inside of it, you see only the shapes of it. All right, and as you see, I'm doing that. Then I add these other parts of the design. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to look exactly like mine. And before you know it, you have a pretty cool house. So again, this could be whatever you want it to be. This could be a haunted house, or it could be just a castle. It could be, and then you're going to color this in. All right, and then the tree, we're going to make it something like this. So you can make the branches go up, and the branches kind of grow out of the branches. So I'm making it kind of thin right now, and then I can always add more later. I can always make it thicker. And then these are called limbs, so the limbs will be a little thicker. Okay, so then you kind of get your drawing something like this, and then before you know it, you can, color it in as any colors you want. And as you can see, I'm using a variety of different colors. I've got my warm colors, which are yellow, orange, red. I got my cool colors, which are green and blue and violet. So now you can just do it, and you can take your time now and enjoy.